wanted to let you know about some updates and what is going in the market because I haven't shoot any video. I'll say that since last week because I wasn't available and I had some family issues in my wife's family. So just because of that, I wasn't available. But now I came live, so we'll be talking about something interesting. And if you like the content, please subscribe the channel and share this content amongst your friends so that the knowledge can be spread at the larger level. Okay, so if you see the subject or header of the video, so this is like next big themes. What I feel these sectors or a particular industry can do well in coming years, just because they did good in the past as well, and they can do good in the future as well. So if I talk about, so themes would be energy. In energy, if you see that, so there are too many companies which we'll be talking about. PFC, REC. I think if you see that, Jeffrey has upgraded these two companies, this REC and PFC. If I want to talk about PFC, so PFC is the parent company of REC. So if REC does good so PFC would be the beneficiary of the theme which we are talking about. Then the next theme would be recycling. So there are many stocks in recycling space, and as we talk about, you have seen on the uh, boundaries and the initiative is going on, green energy, clean energy, and recycling is part of them. So in recycling we have so many companies, but we can't cover all the companies in a single video because we have to tell that why we are talking about this company. So in recycling space, if I talk about, I have noticed there are two companies which I'll be talking about. Again, I would say that I'm not SEBI registered guy, so don't follow me blindly. Please take an advice from your advisor, then take any position in the market. So first I'll talk about Tina Rubber. If I'm not wrong, so I believe so, Dolly Khanna had a stake in this company, and it means did well in the past. And if I talk about, so Tina Rubber, I see that it made a high of 52-week high, that is around 2100, and now it is trading around 986. So if I'm not wrong, then it is trading around a 50% low from that 52-week high. So it's an opportunity to grab the company, but again I'll say that take an advice from your advisor, otherwise you might be in trouble because market would uh, uh, give return to those people who stay in the market and who keep on tracking the news which is happening around the globe and what benefit it brings or what damage it brings to that particular company. So first company I have talked about, Tina Rubber. If I see the share price, so that is around 986. I have that company. And apart from that, Gravita India. So if I talk about Gravita India, in Gravita India, you will notice that if I talk about 5 years return, so the returns are 4,837% returns this company made over the 5 years. So now you have to see that this kind of returns can be sustained in future as well, or would it not be continue? That is a question of future. But what we are anticipating, why I'm talking about this industry, because if I see the recycling industry market size, so that is going to grow at the percentage of 5.22% CAGR. And if I see the numbers, so those numbers could be 6.93 USD billion dollar by 2033. So Tina Rubber, that could be the beneficiary of this theme, and Gravita India. We have talked about two companies from recycling space, and from energy space I have talked about PFC and REC. Both falls in large cap, but if I talk about the potential and the valuation is not that much high for these companies, REC and PFC. Apart from that, if I talk about next theme, that could be solar energy. Solar energy comes under energy and means energy sector, but again it's a different story altogether. And if I talk about under this sector, there is a company which is not doing good, and the name of that company is Gensol Engineering. Because management came, they gave that the statement that we didn't follow the rules of making the payments, and they weren't able to manage working capital. Just because of that, it went wrong, and just because of that, if you see the company share price, that went down, I think around now it is trading around 215, and it was trading around 52 week ago, that the price was around 1300 or 1100. So it's been beaten down a lot, and just because of the statement, and ICRA and CARE rating agencies, they have downgraded. They have said that company is not complying the policies which they made, and they are not able to pay their debt. Just because of that, management didn't like this approach, and stock went down. And it's not went down only, it went down by around 70 to 80%. So I'm not talking about that company, I'm just giving a hint that what went wrong with this company. Even after that, Atmol Singh Jaggi, I think managing director of that company, he came on the channels and he gave the justification that we'll be doing good in the future. But management's commentary, which they are giving over the news channels, investors or traders, or they are not liking it at all. Just because of that, it is going down day after day. So there is one more company. That company name is Vari Energies. Vari Energies is a good company. If I talk about the valuation, then it could be something you won't like it, but sometimes not just because of valuation, we see the foreseeable future, what this company do, this company can do in future. So on the basis of that, you can start accumulating this share. Vari Energies, again, I'm not SEBI registered guy, so I won't suggest that go by my words, but Vari Energy is a company that will do good in future. Because I went to my hometown and I was seeing that the mustard oil which you purchase from the market, that is being you'll say that that is being prepared because light is not there, so they are installing solar panels there, and then they are doing businesses. So the demand of energy is a lot, but in some villages the companies aren't able to I'll say that transmit the electricity to every village. Just because of that, they install the solar panel, and this company is the largest player in India as far as solar is concerned. So Vari Energy is good player, and it made a high of around 3700. Now it is trading around 2400. So there is a lot of potential, but you have to wait, and you have to accumulate this share. I'll not suggest that just go and buy, just accumulate. Because if you are aware about this news, that there is a person whose name is Madhusudan Kela, I believe so, he has invested in this company. I'm not sure about that, what price he has made an investment in this company, but I'm pretty sure that I was going through the Economic Times. The name was there. So I'm suggesting, so we have considered 3 companies from energy space and 2 companies from recycling space. And then another hot sector is data center. So if I talk about data center, then we see a lot of scope in upcoming years. And I'll suggest 2 names from this industry. First is Schneider Electric Infra, and next one is Anantraj. If you see the data, promoters of Anantraj are buying a stake in this company. And if I talk about the Schneider Electric, I feel so that because I have seen the quarterly data of this company, sales, profit, I have seen a growth in sales number and in the profit, in the net worth of the company. So uh, it compels me to think about this company to have in my portfolio. So I have added, I think, around 30 shares today of this company. It went down today because if you see that Nifty 50 and Sensex was doing good, but the small cap wasn't doing good today, because I have seen that since last 6 or 5 days, our market was up, and almost every company was doing good. But every time market cannot go up. So we see times come that when share goes down. So this is the story. So in data center, if I see the industry size of the market size of the industry, data center, market size in India. So if I see the data size, industry size, so I'll say that the market is projected to grow to 1800 megawatt by 2026. By 2030, the data center stock is expected to reach 3400 megawatt IT across major cities. The revenue in the data center market in India is forecast to continuously increase between 2024 and 2029 by in total 3.2 billion US dollar. So there is an increment of 36.99%. So if I talk about the company, so company name is Anantraj, and what is that company? Schneider Electric Infra. These companies are doing good. If you go by the price, so Anantraj, I haven't gone through the valuation, what it looks like for Anantraj. But if I see for Schneider Electric, I feel so the capability of this company and the anticipation of growth and the numbers which are showing good significant growth for as far as means current years are concerned, but means current year and the past years, but in the upcoming years that company may do good. So these are three big themes. I feel these themes can do good. So I have talked about what are the themes: recycling. Then we have energy space. In energy, we have talked about solar energy. And then the last one is data center. Again, I'll say that I'm not SEBI registered guy, so please don't go by my words. Do your research and then take any decision. If you like the content, please hit subscribe button. And if you are new to the channel, then hit subscribe. If you are already to the new, means if you are already subscribe, if you have already subscribed the channel, then you can share the content with all your friends. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll just wrap up my words. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a nice day.